Welcome everyone to today's call. We are thrilled to present you with one of the many great products that we have developed here at CloudROI. This product is a seamless fusion of cutting edge technologies in the transportation and logistics industries on the leading platforms that is utilized by most third-party transportation and logistic provider companies. Those platforms are Text Locate, Revenova, and Salesforce. Joining me on the call today is Tracy McDonald, one of our transportation and logistics experts, and Manoj Krishna, one of our Salesforce architects. They're going to run through the text locate component that we've built, and we've really married here with Revenova and Salesforce. So I'll go ahead and turn it over to Tracy for a little bit more context on what text locate is and how we've worked that into these systems.
Sure, thanks, Mark. So just to start out with, Text Locate is going to be is a one source application that allows the carrier allows the distributor to text the driver and update the location through a link on a text message. So that you can have real-time updates of where your product is, where your driver is, and when to expect that delivery. So what we've seen is there was a missing ability to do this from Salesforce or from Revenova or your TMS system built within Salesforce. So we took the opportunity to build the integration. And that's what you're seeing on the screen here. What we've done is we've provided you the ability within Salesforce, within Revenova, to initiate the ping or initiate a text with your driver. With that, we actually load that location ping onto a mapping component in your Salesforce screen so you can pull up your load and see exactly where that driver has been, what's the last update, and when that information is sent. The great thing is this appears in both Text Locate. So if you're in the Text Locate app, you can still see all of this information, as well as in your Salesforce app. So you can be in either place to see the same information, but it allows for you to be in Salesforce working in the load and have easy access to the information all in one spot. So with that, as I mentioned, we have it set up that you can send a text. So you can actually free form type a text message to your driver. They can respond. That response is stored in Salesforce, as well as the response if it is a image that is also stored in Salesforce. So all of that information is going to be related to your load. So the great thing about this is, we've released this for several companies now, and it's a fairly quick process. So because we've already done it, we already have a package built that we can quickly implement with very little uplift from your team. So what we would like to do now is do a bit of a presentation. We have a test org that we've set this up in, and we'll be able to show you how it works with all the items that I just described here. Manoj?
Yeah, thanks, Tracy. Thanks, Mark. So yeah, let me share my screen quickly. And okay, so let's see. I have already created a sample load, which is in transit. So from say Oregon to say our head office that is in Florida. So if you see in the if you see here, what you are seeing is, so we have origin, destination, and on the right hand side you have the various plotters in the map where you see this is our origin, where the load is going to be picked up, and this is the destination where we are going to deliver it. So these are the intermediate pings where the truck is traveling. So there's already a one ping in the Wyoming. The next one is in the Grain Valley. Now let's see where the driver is located. So what to do that, we have a button on the top of the screen, say contact driver. So we have So driver name is Mark Crawford, who is our CEO. So if you see here, so we have two options here. So we have send ping and send text. So what do you mean by send ping? Send ping means it will send a text message to the driver with the link shared to share the location. So send text, you can send a custom text message saying, so, okay, are you on the way? Where are you? So some certain questions you can ask to a driver so that he can respond to the message. So let's do the test send ping now. So you can change the message if you want. So let's keep the message as is. So I'm pinging the driver. So
Perfect.
now,
And I just received the location ping. And
yeah,
what you'll see on my phone is, as you can see, maybe I'll hold it up here a little bit. So we get these text messages that come through. In these text messages, it just has a link, and all I have to do is click that. It will launch into my browser. And it looks like the filter's pulling me out here a little bit. It'll launch into the browser and simply ask that I allow to share my location. I also have several options for in transit or different buttons that I can click on that to be able to indicate where I'm at. So I'll click the in transit button and then back to you, Manoj.
yeah. So if you see here on the we have several tabs on the related to the load where we can see these are the various location requests we have done, and on the various location pings the driver has responded like 1, 2. So now let's refresh the page. Whatever Mark has responded, let's see if it has come. Okay, well, you can see in the map marker it's already updated. You can see the location is Redington. Yeah, here, and it's a last ping location. And if you see here, we have the location. So we have where was the last ping at. So now let's ask the driver. So another question. So are you ready to deliver? Now we are sending a explicit text message to the driver.
Perfect. And that has arrived here on my phone.
And all the conversation are stored in the SMS conversation tab. So you can see, are you ready to deliver? A message is already there. When Mark responds, another record will be created here with the type message that involved.
Okay. And I'll send a message back just saying, yes, I am here.
Let's refresh the
Take
page.
just a second to come through here.
Yep, we got the message here.
Perfect. So this is great, and Manoj, thank you for that demo here. So this is a fantastic tool because you're able to ping and understand your driver's locations without having to have them install an application or have any sort of monitoring tool. It's one of the huge benefits of Text Locate. And now you're able to integrate Text Locate into your TMS system that is built on Salesforce, Revenova, one of the many platforms that is utilized for transportation and logistics companies. From there, at CloudROI, we specialize in being able to implement solutions like this and also trigger additional functionality and features off of that. Some of our clients want immediate text messages to go out when they're within certain geofencing areas saying, hey, delivery's almost here. Get the folks at the docks ready to pick up and receive the load. Some folks want to automatically start requesting the BOL and different documents that are required when the delivery is made. Once you have this context and information, really the opportunities are infinite of what you can do with this system. So that's why we're very excited to have demoed this today. This is one component that is available, but we have many others within our suite. If anybody is interested and wants to reach out and understand a little bit more about what we can do for their company, please feel free to visit us at our website at cloudroi.com. We have a specific page for transportation and logistics companies, and you can always book a meeting with one of our sales, marketing, and operations experts who can help you understand how to utilize these tools and how to get the most out of your systems at your TMS, or out of your TMS and out of your transportation and logistics company. Thanks for your time today.